All right, welcome back. As you guys can kind of see, we are stuffed full because we have a whole bunch of stuff to get done on the Camaro tonight. There's a car show that I want to go to tomorrow, but just in general, there's a lot that needs to be caught up on since my face surgeries and everything. There's been a lot that I had to take time off and wasn't able to button up some of the final details that I was working on with some of the exhaust systems and stuff like that. I just wasn't able to get everything done that I needed to get done that the Camaro deserves to have done. So we're working on that. We got a muffler system, new cold air intake, some new exhaust clamps, some header gaskets, all sorts of stuff that we're going to be working on, just getting everything buttoned up, because on June 3rd, this thing is getting tuned, and I am super pumped for it. We're headed to pick Nick up. It was a 30-minute drive, so we're going to pick him up so he can help film, and then we're going to head out to a buddy's house who has a lift, because of my face, I don't want to risk crawling underneath the car on my back and hitting my face on something. Just does not, like, it's still tender, and so you guys don't want to see me bawl my eyes out. Well, you probably do, but we're not going to deal with it. I don't want to bawl my eyes out, so we're going to go put it on a lift, try to spend as much time tonight as we can out there to get it all done. The goal is to have the car do pretty much a 180. Be louder, be cooler, look better. We have some special effects that we're going to be adding to the car too. So just stay tuned. Again, the back seat is packed, but also the trunk is completely stuffed. So once we get there, I will give you guys kind of a little bit of an unboxing. I had to take some of it out of the boxes to make it all fit, but you guys get the picture. All right, guys, like I told you, I just had some pretty extensive face surgery for skin cancer, and my face is still healing up, and it's still pretty tender, as I just had my last surgery a week ago, and I don't want you guys to see me bawling my eyes out if I hit my face while I'm crawling underneath the car while it's on jack stands. So these guys are awesome enough not only to work on the car for me and help me get this stuff done, but to also let me use the lift, because they're just awesome people. So I really appreciate them going above and beyond. But like I said, a little bit of a chaotic video, and I apologize for that. But let's get this thing on the lift and let's get started. I've been in your waters. Do a little bit more rigging than I wanted to do, but we gotta spread apart this to make it fit over, because it's meant for the factory mid pipe. Is 2.75, so 2 3/4, and because I have the non-factory, it's 3 inches, and so this won't fit over. So we're gonna have to spread it, and I don't have my exhaust stretcher here right now with me, so we're gonna use a hammer to spread it apart.
Oh yeah, this is gonna work good. I'll take this. Alright, so, update. We need a 3-inch to 2-inch exhaust coupler.
3-inch to 2-inch.
Is that it? 2-inch to 3-inch? 3-inch to 3-inch?
3-inch to 3-inch coupler.
3-inch to 3-inch coupler. And we're in Mexico, which is 15 minutes away from Centralia?
It's like 10.
10?
Well, it's kind of like it's
the Mexico one closed, so we're going to Australia. Casey's getting all flustered about it.
No, I'm not. I'm looking at what this part cost me. I think I thought they might be 21. Sorry. You can like it one.
He's undoing what he did.
When you're a professional, up, it's easy to fix.
Demonetized.
What do you mean? All I said was beep, beep, beep.
So here, take these.
New clamps.
Yeah, working on it.
You gotta get it out first. Yeah, you already got the new one.
Those are gonna go. I want to see bad enough room to do this. I do not. I don't want them to be hanging down and be the lowest hanging part of the car.
Yeah, and scrape on the driveway the next time.
Yeah, but I might have to because
Why don't you? Yeah, like
I might because my worry is over time hitting that transit
Hitting
the
the
cooler line.
cooler line.
So I might just go there because I mean that's not.
That's not horrible, you know.
I mean if it hits that, I'm gonna hit somewhere else too. So.
That's the lowest point on the car. Well, other than these ones, but that'll be the lowest point. Well, look, if you hit there, you're hitting there. So.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's not. It's lower. It's lower, but it's not neither. I just don't know which ones are gonna crimp it better. Because since we're using an actual coupler here, because in the other spots I trust it because we don't actually really need it to, and they've already been crimped by the original ones I used. Yeah. All right. Yeah, just do it that way. See, like I feel like that already has more.
I would probably do this
And then
with,
maybe eventually come back to that
so
after.
no, this right here we'll use for these up here.
Gotcha, okay.
No, we can't.
Oh yeah, it won't fit between. Yeah. Well, yeah.
I would probably use them like you are up here. Yes, that would work perfectly.
Yeah.
But with
These will use what it came with.
for that, this and this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because of fitment issues, really.